Hello, welcome to Car DIY. I want to show you how to replace the headlight bulb on a Toyota Avensis T27. This would be between 2008 and 2015 models. So this plastic cover here, first of all, it comes off. Usually just little clips in it here. You just pull them out of all the places where you'll find them, like here and here. So pull them out. Next thing you need to do is the window washer bottle then has to come out. So as you can see, there's an eye here for a bolt or some plastic clip. Mine doesn't have that for some reason. It obviously was taken out. So this, you twist it like so. Twist it like that. And then finally, it comes out like that. So that's that. So it comes out like that. And the next thing is in here. I don't know if we can get the camera in there or not.
Yeah, we can get it.
Yeah, and you can see here there's a round piece here. It'll make more sense now when I take it out. So you twist this to the left. So you push it to the left and it pops out like so. So this is the piece here that we had to take out. As you can see, it twists out to the left. It even shows open. So when it's that way, it shows open. So that would be to the left. Anyway, once we get in here the bulb is here. So when we put our hand in, I don't know if we can see here, let's try and get some in. You can see in there now. Here we have the headlight there now, that's it there. What we need to do is we need to twist that to the left. So can I show you without? And I'll show you one more time. This is it here, we twist it to the left, turn, click, and then it comes out like so. When we have it out, we need to take off the bulb, and on the back here you can see there's a little clip there, and this clip lifts up like so, up, and it pops out. Here we have the bulb, and we get the replacement, and we just fit it in the opposite way around and twist the thing in back in to the right, and then put the window washer bottle back in reverse, and that's how that's done on the left side.